Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of area rugs that are a nightmare to clean and maintain? I just discovered the Ruaruarug Washable Area Rug 8x10 for living room, and it's been a total game changer. This rug is not only super comfy underfoot, but it's also incredibly easy to set up and take care of. The fact that it's washable is a huge plus, and I love that it can be machine washed without fading, so I don't have to worry about it losing its vibrant color over time. When I first stepped on the rug, I was struck by its soft texture. It feels like walking on a cloud. The high-quality polyester material is also friendly to kids and pets, which is a must for my household. I've been using it in my living room, and it's become the perfect spot for my family to relax and unwind. The versatile aesthetic design is also a major win. It adds a touch of warmth and coziness to the room without overpowering the other decor. This rug has been well reviewed by many customers who have purchased and loved it, and I can see why. Not only is it easy to clean, but it's also durable and long-lasting. I've been using it for a while now and it still looks like new, the colors are still vibrant and the material is still soft. I've even used it in my kitchen, and it's withstood all the spills and messes that come with cooking. The sound of the rug being vacuumed is music to my ears. It's so easy to clean and maintain. I've tried other area rugs in the past, but this one is by far the best. The combination of its comfort, ease of use, and stylish design make it a must-have for any room in the house. Whether you're looking to add some warmth to your bedroom or some coziness to your living room, the Ruaruarug Washable Area Rug is the perfect choice. So if this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.